This video is presented by VoiceOver article. The finance of a business is its lifeblood, without which there is no point in putting up or maintaining one. At the end of the day, money is what matters in any kind of business, and that is an established fact. Most of us know how elaborate money matters are. Loosely translated, that means dealing with finances is a pain. This is especially true for people who don't know the first thing about it, and I believe that comprises majority of the population. Mortgages, trusts, annuities, bonds and brokers are only a few of the facets of finances. If that doesn't make you cringe, the likes of auditing and secured loans will. I'm tempted to say that rocket science would be easier to understand. Although I know that is not true, they do share an element of difficulty that the ordinary layperson would be hard-pressed to comprehend. It would be grand if we didn't have to deal with finances. But just like death and taxes, we are sure to deal with money matters in the course of our lives. Going back to business and its financial aspect, who or where do you go to in order to get the much-needed help? I presume financial advisors or accountants would be the first people that we'd think of. But which financial advisor do we approach? What do we say when we get hold of one? Would they know what to do with our specific need immediately? The only logical thing to do would be to employ a skill that we have acquired way back in elementary school: research. The internet is always a good place to start when doing research. Business and financial sites are abundant in the net, you just have to sift through to find the good ones and ignore the irrelevant sites. The way to go would be to look for a good business portal. Portals are basically sites with a collection of topics or subjects that acts as a launchpad. This will enable you to spring to several sites that contain pertinent information about the subject that you are interested in. The apparent advantage when using a portal is that all the data and information that has to do with what you are looking for is already within reach. You don't have to go to a search engine to look for a subject within the same topic. Take for example a business or financial portal. I've mentioned about where to find good accountants earlier. Here's the place. The obvious link to click on would be accountants in the portal. Details like services an accountant offers and how to pick the right one for your needs are discussed in depth. After you're satisfied with the information you've gathered, you can simply go back to the portal and select another link that you might also be interested in, like maybe loans or insurance, and do the same thing again. That's how convenient it is to use a business or financial portal. Information is indispensable in the realm of business. Find the right portal and get on the road to financial success. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.